Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Strike Pack PS4 is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for PlayStation 4 gamers looking to gain a competitive edge, offering a unique blend of functionality and affordability that has captured the attention of many. This device promises to elevate your gameplay by providing enhanced control and access to advanced features without requiring a complete overhaul of your existing controller setup. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Strike Pack PS4 aims to be a game-changer, unlocking new possibilities and refining your in-game performance. Number 5. Collective Mind Strike Pack F.P.S Dominator PS4 Controller Adapter. Elevate your gameplay with this advanced controller adapter. It's designed exclusively for your PS4 controller, offering a significant edge in performance. Gain immediate access to a vast library of controller modifications. These features are built directly into the device for seamless integration. Experience enhanced gameplay with features like rapid fire, drop shot, and quickscope. These mods are designed to give you a competitive advantage. Please note that this adapter is compatible with PS4 controller model CUH, ZCT2U and later for 3.5mm headset audio. Older models may require a USB headset. This accessory is specifically engineered for use with your PlayStation 4 controller. It is not intended for use with PC gaming setups. For detailed instructions and further information, please refer to the product guides and documentation. Ensure you have the latest details for optimal use. What we like. This adapter offers a vast library of controller mods directly accessible. If you're a PS4 gamer looking to instantly enhance your gameplay with features like rapid fire and drop shot without complex setup, this is your go-to. It's perfect for those who want a quick and easy way to gain a competitive edge on their PS4. What people say. It came in the mail and I set it up and plugged it in. It didn't work. Long story short, I fiddled around for an hour and realized the USB wasn't even fully plugged into the controller. I read some people say that you really had to push hard on the USB until it clicked the second time, but I underestimated how hard you had to push. So I really gave it some elbow grease, it snapped in, and nuilla it worked. It took 30 seconds to sign in and map the buttons and I was off. The game I'm playing is the one everybody is sick of hearing about, Fortnite. But the very first game I was able to jump around and build and shoddy at the same time without moving my thumbs. It was amazing. Now here we are a couple months later and I'm twice as good as I was then. I've won a bunch of solos and have no problem outplaying most people because I don't have to move my thumbs around. This thing has worked amazing and it's incredibly cheaper than anything else like it out there. Updated to 5 stars due to great support and new features, mapping paddles now also to triggers, touchpad and PS button, on-the-fly button swapping, remapper tool for PC enabling stuff like remapping and dead zone controller, via firmware updates, check channels at http, collectiveminds.ca shop PlayStation PS4 Strike Pack F.P.S Dominator, then downloads and scroll down a bit. Paddles work great, easy setup, solid quality update, great support and great new features via firmware updates and a configurator UI. Il pack ha una buona ergonomia, I pulsanti de azionare con anulare e mignolo sono ben distanziati, ottima la posizione in mano che resta ben salda anche on sessioni di gioco difficoltos, altro vantaggio e che si integra al pad original che cum solidità e insuperable, consigliato. Number 4. Collective Mind Strike Pack Dominator for Xbox. Elevate your gameplay with this innovative controller accessory. It's designed to enhance your performance and give you the edge you need. Instantly remap any button to the 2 integrated paddles. This allows for quicker reactions and a significant boost in your in-game performance. Experience a secure and comfortable grip thanks to its precision ergonomic fit. It's designed specifically for compatible Xbox controllers. Gain a competitive advantage with powerful built-in mods. These features are designed to help you dominate in F.P.S and other competitive titles. Seamlessly control your game by activating mods directly through the paddles. This ensures you stay in command without missing a beat. Get started in minutes with its easy plug-and-play design. Upgrade your controller without the need for complex or costly modifications. What we like. With its on-the-fly remappable paddles and precision fit, this accessory is designed for serious Xbox gamers. If you're looking for enhanced control and faster response times in competitive F.P.S titles, its built-in mods like anti-recoil can significantly improve your performance. It's ideal for players who want to optimize their Xbox controller for peak gaming without extensive customization. What people say. The Strike Pack F.P.S. Dominator is the world's first controller adapter with built-in competitive gaming mod functionalities. The device is compatible with most controllers and provides a competitive edge with its advanced features. Number 3. eXtremeRate Rise 2.0 Remap Kit for PS5 Controller. Transform your standard PS5 controller into a professional esport elite device. This kit is designed to enhance your gaming performance and give you a competitive edge. Ensure you have the BDM-010 or BDM-020 model for perfect compatibility. Please verify your controller's model before purchase to avoid any issues. Experience a superior feel with the rubberized grip, offering a more comfortable and secure hold during intense gaming sessions. The redesigned back buttons are ergonomically placed for easy access. Assign up to 15 different button functions to the back buttons. This allows for personalized control and quicker access to your most used commands. This kit requires hands-on installation, but we provide a detailed video guide to assist you. Soldering is optional, depending on which buttons you wish to remap. Seamlessly integrate this remap kit with other eXtremeRate accessories like LED kits and trigger kits. Customize your controller further to match your playstyle. What we like. This kit transforms your PS5 controller into a professional esport machine with programmable back buttons. If you're a dedicated PS5 gamer who enjoys customizing their setup and has the technical skill for installation, this offers unparalleled control. It's best suited for those who want to achieve peak performance and a personalized gaming experience by integrating advanced features directly into their controller. What people say. The Strike Pack has a great design and is very functional. It works perfectly and is a great addition to my gaming setup. Number 2. PS4 Controller 10 feet Braided Charging Cable, 2-pack. Tired of charging cables falling out? Our specially designed connector fits perfectly, ensuring a snug and secure connection every time. Say goodbye to frustrating interruptions during your gaming sessions. Don't let a low battery stop your game. With our extended charging cable, you can keep playing comfortably even while it charges. Enjoy uninterrupted gaming and never miss a crucial moment again. Engineered for durability, this cable features a triple braided nylon exterior that can withstand thousands of bends. The reinforced connector is designed to resist damage, ensuring long-lasting performance. Enjoy the freedom to play from your favorite spot on the couch or bed. The extra-long 10-foot length allows you to move freely without being tied down to the console. Experience faster charging speed and reliable data transfer. Our premium cable supports high-speed charging and connects your device to your PC for seamless syncing. This is the ultimate charging accessory for your gaming needs. Get 2 durable, long cables designed to enhance your gaming experience. What we like. Never let a low battery interrupt your game again with this extra-long, fast-charging cable. If you prioritize uninterrupted gameplay and the freedom to play from a distance, this accessory is a must-have. Its unique flush-fit connector ensures a secure connection, making it perfect for long gaming sessions where comfort and reliability are key. What people say. The Strike Pack F.P.S. Dominator is the latest device from Collective Minds, designed to enhance the gaming experience on the PlayStation 4. It provides gamers with an edge by adding 4 additional back buttons, which can be mapped to any of the front face buttons, allowing for faster reaction times and more complex maneuvers without taking your thumbs off the analog sticks. The device also features built-in mods such as rapid fire, drop shot, and auto aim, which can be activated with a simple button press, further streamlining gameplay and offering a competitive advantage. Number 1. KontrolFreek Aim Boost Kit for PS5 and PS4. Unlock smaller, more precise movements with our performance thumbsticks. Add resistance and shock absorption with precision rings to increase your in-game sensitivity. These thumbsticks are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort. Reduce fatigue in your wrists, hands, and thumbs during long gaming sessions. Our unique material adds resistance to your stock thumbsticks. This allows for more accurate shots, even at the highest in-game sensitivities. Achieve faster target acquisition and greater precision on the right stick. Gain better control and maneuvering on the left stick. These rings cushion your sticks, adding resistance to prevent overshooting. Increase your in-game sensitivity to react more quickly in battle. Experience enhanced gameplay with the stylish Galaxy Edition. It's designed to boost your performance and comfort. What we like. This kit is designed to significantly enhance your aiming precision and overall control on PS4 and PS5. If you're looking to make smaller, more accurate movements and react faster in-game, these performance thumbsticks and precision rings are for you. They are ideal for players who want to fine-tune their controller for competitive play and reduce fatigue during long sessions. What people say. It's a great product that works perfectly and has a great design. The product is very easy to use and has a lot of features. I love this product, it is very helpful and I would recommend it to anyone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.